Hello everyone, welcome to KMIT Solutions Services. My name is Raman. In this lecture, we will see that how there are multiple developers, those who are working on this project, they can use this source code. So I will take two developers, say dev1 and dev2. Okay. So these two developers, those who are working on this project, and there is a code owner. Okay. And there is a code owner. So code owner is holding the main branch. And for dev1, I will create another branch, which is dev1 branch. And for dev2, I will create dev2 branch. And these two developers, they are working on their laptops and they will submit their code into their respective branch. And once the code is reviewed by the code owner, then it will be merged into the main branch. So that thing we will see that how to create the branches on local repository as well as on the remote repository. So I will create these branches first on the local, and then I will push that code into the remote GitHub repository. For that, I'll go to my GitHub repository, and here I will say git branch, and you can see I have only one branch, which is main branch. Now, if I want to create a branch, the command is git branch and the branch name. So I'm creating a branch dev1 for developer 1, and I'm creating another branch, which is dev2 for developer 2. So there are two branches get created. If I say git branch now, so you can see I have three branches total, which is dev1, dev2, and main branch. Now I want to create these branches on my remote repository also. So the command is git and push origin and dev1. So I'm pushing this branch to my remote repository. So now dev1 branch is dev1 branch is having the same source code which is in the main branch. Same way, I will push to dev2 branch. So git push origin dev2. Okay, so it is asking for the authentication. Right. So two branches now got created. If I go back to my repository, if I refresh this once, so here now you can see I have dev1 branch and dev2 branch. Right. So in this lecture, we have seen that how to create branches for our developer. Thank you very much for watching. In next lecture, we will see how developers, they can download the source code from these branches.